What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to adjust the water temperature setting on your water heater, hotter or colder. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor and click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. So we'll come over to our water heater and down to the control panel right here, and you don't have to turn anything off before adjusting this, so don't worry about cutting the power or anything like that. And right here, this little black knob, that is the temperature control setting. And what you do is you just turn it clockwise. Right now it's set between vacation and low, so I'm just going to turn it up to hot. I don't recommend turning it up past the hot setting. You can go to A, B, C, and then very hot is the very hottest. But see right here, you don't want to go above 125 degrees or you can actually cause burns. But it's going to depend where you live, where your water heater is, and what kind of temperature it is exposed to. If you live somewhere really cold and it's exposed to the elements, you may need to bump it up a little. Or if you have a ton of people living in the house, you may have to bump it up a little to get everyone a hot shower. But for me, all I have to do is keep it between the low and the hot setting right here, and that's plenty of hot water for my household. So it's as simple as just turning this knob right here to adjust the temperature, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care. Whoa.